Yeah, beautiful day today, mate. We're going down. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I am going to work now. The time now is maybe 5:35. Yeah, my duty will start at 6 o'clock. Inside there, that is where I usually go through, especially during relaxed day, going to work or coming back home. Yeah, this past few days was very busy. Yesterday I did a split shift, which is 6 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock, and then come back 5 o'clock in the afternoon until 9 o'clock. Yeah, it happens sometimes. It's okay. Yeah, because you know there are just 3 people in the kitchen last night. It was on the schedule, normal schedule, but you know the booking was unexpectedly get more, and you cannot just change the schedule to make other people come to work because they are on vacation, and you know I am their only option to come to work that day, so it's okay. Also, I live just nearby. I mean, not very far. Some of my colleagues are working. No, they are living in Newcastle, which is 1 hour drive to come here. Yeah. And today my duty will start at 6 and finish at 2 o'clock, and will be day off tomorrow. Just 1 day off because I have 2 separate days of this week roster. You know, yesterday I cleaned this. Yeah, but it doesn't really clean. Look at the floor. This is dirty, and you know that is the mark of my bike. And you know, this time, I mean this year, I am the only person who is putting the bike here. You know, I feel that I am the only person who is making the mess up in here. That is why I am trying to clean this. Good morning, guys. Yeah, day off today. Already 12 o'clock, and we're going to have lunch somewhere. Look at that, look at the sky. Some very nice white clouds, and of course the blue sky. We're going to cross on the other side. Yeah, we're going to have a look at the wetlands there. Looks interesting. Good afternoon. Yeah, we're going to just have a look here. Sometimes there are birds here around. Okay, we're not going there. We're going this way. I've been here before, and I've shown this in the video before also. Oh, look at that. Those kids, they are playing. They jump in the water. They are doing something like a crazy salmon or lazy salmon, something like that. Look at that. It is Caltex. Yeah, you know the petrol station that I am telling you. Yeah, I've seen the construction. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 10:21. I'm not feeling good today. I feel weak. I am thinking of going to the clinic and not going to work. My duty will start at 2 o'clock. The time now is 10:21. Yeah, but you know, I don't want this to continue. I am thinking that if I go to work, things will be better. The feeling will be good because I don't know. Because you know, when I was in Dubai, so I don't know, but it's a different story. Because when I was in Dubai, so yeah, like there are times that we are having a party, like the kitchen team are having a party, so we go to the bar and we drink. And there are nights that I am really drunk. Yes, there are times that I'm getting drunk. Yeah, so in the morning I have a hangover, but I need to come to work. And this is one happened that me, John, and there's another guy working in the breakfast. All of us went for drink. And I am the only one who is having a hangover, not feeling good. Yeah. So yeah, we're preparing slowly, something like that. And then when the restaurant opens, it started to get busy, and I needed to run because you know it's busy. Yeah, like after a few minutes I'm feeling good and I'm not sick anymore. Yeah, I always remember that. But you know, these days I don't drink anymore. Yeah, because you know in Dubai, they will force you to come to drink, like because this is like a team building. Oh yeah, yeah. That is the alarm for me, 1 o'clock. Oh, the alarm is alarming again. This is the second alarm because I set my alarm for 1 o'clock and 1:17. Yeah. I am now actually using the GoPro Hero 7. The stabilization works very well. It is now very cloudy and windy. This morning it was very sunny, no clouds at all. Yeah, this coffee is still hot, very hot. I might get burned when I drink it. Yeah, I'm scared I will keep it a little while for to cool down a little bit.